Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you will head to the lower right corner and click on profile. Then when you're at your profile, you want to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then you want to hit the settings and privacy. When you're at these settings and privacy, you want to focus on the first section, which is account section. You want to click on privacy, the second option over here. Then you want to click on private account. When you click on private account, this will change the game for you forever. With a private account, only users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. This is very, very important. Switching from private back to public account will change the whole content and the visibility. Then everyone else will be able to see your content and essentially see who you're following and who is following you. Very important, a lot of people are usually switching to private account to hide their following list and to hide their followers. This is very important because this is essentially what they're seeing on their news feed every time when they use the app. So if you have a bunch of accounts from particular niche, people probably will know what you actually following up or what kind of business you're interested in, so they can essentially spy and try to front run you potentially. This is very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.